Jai Hind students, I am Kanchan here and your English teacher. This time I have taken the chapter The Making of a Scientist from the book Footprints Without Feet. So here we have come to know that Richard had started his research on butterflies. So he tried to get the answer what is the purpose of tiny gold spots on a monarch pupa. As few were saying that many were saying there कि this is only for just ornamental, means decoration purpose, but Ebright said everyone assumed the spots were just ornamental. Ebright said, but Dr. Urquhart did not believe, and then he started to search it. Then he came to know that this gold spot is helpful because it generates or it issues the hormones that are very compulsory to make a butterfly an adult butterfly. So ये जो गोल्ड स्पॉट्स थे इनका काम था हार्मोन को प्रोड्यूस करना और वो हार्मोन उनको बड़ी बटरफ्लाई बनने में मदद करते थे. देन ही ऑल्सो केम टू नो, then he had got the first prize, and then he got also the chance to do research in laboratory and twice here. So due to that he was keeping his research continued, and also when he was looking the photos of cells, then he then he did not shout, but he said, I have got it. So one thing that he had got to know that how the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA. So he came to know how the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA, because DNA is the substance in the nucleus of a cell that controls heredity. Means due to DNA we can know from which family we are belonging. So here he got to know about that. This was the new theory at that time. It determines the form and function of the cell. Thus DNA is the blueprint for life. Now Ebright and his college roommate James R. Wong worked all that night drawing pictures and constructing plastic models of molecules to show how it could happen. Together they later wrote the paper that explained the theory. Then they explained the theory how DNA is the blueprint for life. If the theory proves correct, it will be a big step towards understanding the processes of life. It might also lead to new ideas for preventing some types of cancer and other diseases. So this theory was very helpful. Richard Ebright has been interested in science since he first began collecting butterflies, because it was his hobby and it had made him to be a successful person as a well-known scientist. Ebright also became a champion debater and public speaker and a good canoeist and all-around outdoors person. He is also, he had all the qualities: expert photographer, particularly of nature and scientific exhibits. In high school, Richard Ebright was a straight A student. After that, he had continued his research. Then model United Nations clubs, he also found someone to admire. Means he was being admired by many people, and also he had been given chances for continuing his research. His social studies teacher and advisor to both clubs, Mr. Werer, was the perfect person for me then, and he opened mind to new ideas. Ebright said Richard would always give that extra effort, and Werer said what pleased me was this person who put in 3 or 4 hours at night. Means he was a hard worker. Richard was competitive. He explained Richard was not interested in winning because he wanted to do the best job he could for the right reasons. Now, and that is one of the ingredients in the making of a scientist, means being hard worker and being determined, he and willingness. He was able to complete whatever he wanted. Then start with the first trade mind, add curiosity and mix the will to win for the right reasons. And Ebright has three qualities. From the time the book The Travels of Monarch 10 opened the world of science to him, then Richard Ebright has never lost his scientific curiosity. Means he wanted to search new things, new ideas with reason, and he had determination, he had hard work, he had willingness, he had to do hard work, wish to do hard work, willingness and determination, and he was a hard worker. So he became a well-known scientist. Okay, students, this is the end of this story. I hope you would have understood well. Thank you and Jai Hind.